viewers, welcome to Engineering Study Materials. Today we are going to discuss about the ceramic matrix composites, commonly known as the CMC. So let's get into this video. Ceramic matrix composites are built by the two major components such as reinforcement and matrix. The reinforcement may be in the form of fiber or flakes, etc. It is the energy absorbing phase, while the matrix is a material which binds the reinforcement together to form a complete object, and the short fibers are produced by conventional ceramic process from an oxide alumina or non-oxide silicon carbide. Most of the CMCs are reinforced by the silicon carbide fibers only, and they are having high strength and stiffness. Sometimes whiskers can also be used. It can improve the toughness, resisting to crack propagation. The long fiber composites are reinforced either by long monofilament or long multifilament fibers. The best strengthening effect is provided by the dispersed phase in form of continuous monofilament fibers, which are fabricated by the chemical vapor deposition of silicon carbide on a substrate made of tungsten or carbon fibers. This chemical vapor deposition can be uploaded later in this channel. And so then there are three types of the matrix material, such as silicon carbide ceramic, alumina or alumina silica ceramic, then carbon. In this, carbon is most widely used in all the industries such as medicals, transport and technological, etc. Silicon matrix composites are fabricated by the chemical vapor infiltration or liquid phase infiltration method of a matrix material into a preform prepared from silicon carbide fibers. The applications such as it can be used for manufacturing the combustion liners of gas turbine engines, hot gas recirculating fans, heat exchangers, rocket propulsion components, etc. Then comes to alumina and alumina silica matrix, commonly known as mullite. These are produced by the salt gel methods, direct metal oxidation or chemical bonding. These three methods can also be uploaded in the upcoming videos in my channel. Then applications are related to silicon matrix composites, such as it can be used for heat exchangers, filters for hot liquids, thermophotovoltaic burners, and burners, stabilizers, combustion liners, as we see in the silicon carbide matrix applications like that. Then comes to carbon-carbon composites. These are also prepared by chemical vapor infiltration method or liquid phase infiltration method of matrix material into puriform prepared from carbon fibers. The applications are high performance braking systems, refractory components, hot pressed dies, heating elements, and turbojet engines. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe this channel for more videos, and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge. And so thank you for watching.